This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so today we are going to see first 1 hour we try to complete how to format a table. Okay, then cell style, general we see, and then insert, delete, and editing tools like around five formulas, basic formulas, and then fill option and series, and clear, sort we will do, and then find and replace. So I'll try to complete this much for first 1 hour because these are very simple tools. Okay, so first I will give you a question from the last class, whatever we covered. From there only I'll take a small data, the same data I'll take here, copy that, and I'll paste as values. So can anyone tell me whether it is a table or range? Is this table or range?
A table,
It's table. Huh? Any others?
range,
It's a table or range? Range. So okay, that's if you take table, you are saying range. So why you are saying range and why you are saying table? Any explanation? How you are saying it's a range?
there's a separate thing called format as table, if I'm not wrong, in insert.
So very simple thing what you have to remember is if it is a table, you will be having extra one tab. So for example, as of now for me, home is there, insert is there, page layout is there, formula, data, review, view. So around 7 tabs are there, right? Correct. So now if I format this as a table, then extra additionally I'll be having one more tab after the view saying as table design tab. Okay, so for what? Just select any one cell plus control P, that is a shortcut key for table. Okay, so only one cell you select, don't select two and all, or else you select everything. Control A to select all, or else select only one cell, control T, table. The range is A1 to F13. Okay, and my table has headers, exactly I have headers, these are called as headers. Name, Kannada, English, Math, Science, Social, these are the headers for my table. Okay, so that's why I'm saying as I have headers for my table, and I'll just click on table. Okay, effective. So can you see table tools, table design tab? Okay, so if you convert a normal range into table, then what will happen, right? So you will be having extra one tab that is called as table. So that when you click on outside, you'll be not having that. When you click inside, you'll get the tab. That's why it is called as what? Table. Before it was range. Okay. So again, I'll go back. Now, one more method is, can you see here, format as table. I just click on format as table. Here there will be three separations. One is light, one more is medium, and one more is dark. Okay, I'll just select any one of the option from here. So I will select the option called as orange medium style 3. Orange table style medium 3 I'll select. I click on this and I will click on OK. So now this is table. Clear. So from the range, what is previously it was there, that's a range. From the range, we have converted into what? Table. So now what I want, again from table to range, I want to convert. So if you go to table design tab, in the bottom, can you see convert to range?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just click on convert to range. You click on OK. Now table has been converted into normal range. Okay, but the formatting remains same. The formatting remains same. The header color, rows color, and all same. But you cannot see extra one tab called as table. Okay, so that's why it is called as now. It's a normal range. It's not a table. It's a range. Okay, and if you make it as a table, format as table, if you give here, then now it is a table where we will be having table design extra one tab. Okay, so what is the reason why we need to convert a table normal range into table means this, can you see a tool called as slicer? Okay, so slicer will support for two things, one for pivot table or one more table. If you have a table or pivot table, then only the slicer will be supported. For normal range, the slicer will not be supported. That is the reason why I am giving into normal range into table. Is that clear? You getting that?
Sir, can you explain slicer again?
No, no, I not explain slicer. I'm saying that if you have a table, then you can do slicer. If you don't have table, you cannot do slicer. Slicer
Okay,
can be
sir.
done for either table or pivot table. For normal range, you cannot do it. Done. So that's the reason. See, for example, if I convert to normal range, okay, here if I click, you cannot have the table design. In the insert tab also slicer is there. For example, I will click on slicer here in this place. In the insert tab, okay, here the slicer is there. Okay, I will click on that. See, I'm getting an error. I'm not getting slicer. Okay, it's the reason why we need to convert into table. And how to convert into table and what is the difference between the table and the range. Then,
Sir, what's the use of slicer?
yeah, I'll come to that. I'll come to that. Slicer is nothing but called as advanced filter of Excel. Slicer is nothing but called as what? Advanced filter of Excel. So easily you can filter any data in easiest way. I'll come to that. Why? What is that? Okay. Now, just as of now, understand what is table and what is range. That we
Okay,
are
sir.
getting clear, right? So now, next, because slicers are here, it will come in the pivot table, it will come here. First, we'll complete our home tab. So next, cell styles. So any cells I'll select like this or like this. The selected cells, I can change the cell styles. Okay, so see here, normal, bad, good, neutral, calculations, check cell. So many options are there. Okay, these are cell styles. So good, bad, neutrals, you can use these formats. For data modeling, you can use any of these cell styles. And for title and headings, you can use any of these things. Heading 1, heading 2, like that. Here, now again I select the range. Now we need to use insert and delete and format. So three things are there. How to insert how to insert a row or column and sheet. Insert and delete. How to insert a row and deleting of row, sheet, columns. So very easy here. The shortcut key to insert a row. Okay. So control plus, just control and plus button. Shortcut key to add row, and control minus is the shortcut key to delete a row or column. Not only row or column. It's based on how we are selecting. Delete row or. So I'll just tell you how to insert and delete a row or column. So what you do? Go to Excel, select one column, enter D column. Okay, there are multiple methods to delete and add. Right click, delete. Okay, or else control minus to delete. Same way, right click, insert to insert. Control plus, control plus for insert, or else right click and delete. Okay, insert. Control minus to delete, or else right click and delete. So for how that for row is simple. You select a column, same like that. Select row, right click, insert extra row. If you select at a time 2, 3 rows, right click, insert. If you give extra 3 rows will be inserted. Right click and delete, 3 rows will be deleted. Or else you can use control minus. Getting this? How to insert and delete a row and column? Please reply.
So
How
I
to
didn't get
insert
the
a
column
row,
part.
column. So see here, select the column. Place the cursor on the alphabet. Select the entire column. Okay, if row means number, column means alphabet.
Sorry,
Click
sir,
the
I
entire
meant row.
column.
I didn't get the row.
Yeah. So click on the number. Any number. Click on that, entire row will be selected. Right click on that row number, either insert, or if you don't want, right click on that number, row number, and choose the option called as delete. Right. So now how to insert a sheet. Okay. Now right click on the sheet, any one sheet, right click on insert. So we are having a different options. We are having different options. One is worksheet, one more is chart. What you want to insert? You want to insert either a sheet or chart sheet. So there are two options what you can insert. You can either insert a sheet or you can insert a chart sheet. So which one you want to insert, that you can choose it here. Okay, for example, first I'll insert Excel worksheet. One more sheet is inserted, right? Again, right click on the sheet, insert a chart sheet. So one chart sheet will be inserted. This is only to create and modify the charts. Rows and columns you cannot find here on the chart sheet. And the sheet name also you can see sheet 1, instead of sheet 1, it will be named as chart 1. Okay, or else you can use the
Sir, can
shortcut
you
key.
repeat the part, sir?
Which one? chart bar.
How do we come to chart? Yeah, just insert.
Yeah, right click on any one sheet, click on insert. You'll get this dialog box. In the second option is what? Chart.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So if you select chart, chart sheet will be inserted. So now, what is the shortcut key to insert a chart? Shift F, sorry, sheet. Shift F11. Shift F11 to add new sheet. You press Shift F11 or Shift Fn plus F11. If laptop means functional keys, right? Sometimes Shift Fn, F11 you need to press if not working.
So Shift
Then,
FN.
yeah, see, some just try with Shift plus F11. If not works, use Shift Fn plus F11. If not working, it's because
Yes,
laptops will
that
be
is to
having
add a.
functional keys, right? Yeah, instead of functional keys.
Yeah.
So normally if I press F11, brightness will be decreased and increased.
Yes, sir.
So F1 if you
So
use, it
what
will
is
be
this for?
inserted. To insert new sheet. Shift F11 is to insert a new sheet.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So this is what how to insert a row column sheet and how to delete a row column sheet. Sheet deleting is very simple. Right click on the sheet and click on delete. Okay, Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? Clear? Then okay, now we'll go for format. Row height. How will you increase the height of the row? Select a row, increase the row height. How to manually you will increase the row height. So we have seen the cursor type, right? Same like that. Increase the row height and place the cursor exactly between the C and D. One line is there, right? Click here and increase the column width. Okay, same way if you do double click, what will happen? Auto fit column width. Double click on row, auto fit row height. The cursors, so we have seen 7 cursors, I think last second class or something. Please try with me and let me know if you have any doubts. No doubts? Okay. Or auto fit row height, or if you want to manually increase specific row height or column width, is that means format, click on row height, mention 20. See, all the rows are increased with 20s. Column width, if you want to increase, click on format, column width 8.43 by default it will be there, or 8.41 like that it will be there. I want to 11. See, then and again auto fit, here also the option is available, auto fit column width and auto fit row height. Auto fit column width and auto fit row height. So the next visibility, that is hide a row column sheet. Again, unhide a row column sheet. So here also, to hide a row, 3 methods are there. To unhide also 3 methods are there. Okay, so first, right click row column sheet. Okay, so commonly row means column also here. Both I'm saying. First, we'll see of column, how to hide a column. Right click on any one column, slightly go down. The last second option, can you see hide? When you click on that, E column has been hidden. E column has been hidden. Again, if you want to unhide, D and F you select, because between that E comes, right? D and F you select, right click and click the option as unhide, or else again I will hide. Or exactly, can you see a small gap box here? Like this, small gap. Exactly there, do a double click, unhide. The third option, again right click, I'm hiding. Third option, exactly in that place also you can do a right click and you can choose the option called as unhide. You're getting it? How to hide and unhide?
Yes, sir.
So for row also same, right click, hide. Again exactly double click, unhide I'm doing. Now sheet, how will you hide and unhide the sheet? So now I have a sheet, sheet name is color scale, right click on the sheet, hide. Now how to unhide? Click on any other sheet, right click and unhide. Select the sheet name. If you are hidden multiple sheets, you need to select any one sheet, click on OK. Done. Now rename the sheet. Right click on the sheet, rename, or else double click. Space, give a new name. Just double click. Or else right click, rename, color. Once again. Okay, see here, color scale I given. And this is how to rename the sheet. Now next option, move or copy sheet. So here also you can do all the tools, but I'm saying in the easiest way, how can you access all the tools? Move or copy. Okay, I have now two sheets. One is book one, here chart, sheet two, sheet one is there. And I have one more workbook, that is conditional formatting. Okay, here I have a sheet called as color scale. So there are content. I want the entire content to be in that workbook. So most of the peoples, what they will do is they will copy the record and they will paste there. Copy from here and they will paste into that particular place. Okay, but what we will do, we'll just right click on that sheet. We'll give move or copy. Okay, select the sheet color scale, create a copy of this. Select the sheet color scale, create a copy of this sheet to which workbook? To book 1. We give OK to be copied. Getting? You're getting this option how to copy or I need to repeat one more time.
Sir, can you please repeat, sir?
So see here, I'll take now in conditional formatting, two workbooks I'm having. I'm having two workbooks. One is conditional formatting, one is book 1. Okay, now I'm in conditional formatting sheet. So here I'll select the data box sheet. This entire content I want in that workbook. Okay, as I told you, few will say Control A, Control C, and there go there Control V. Instead of that, I'll right click on the sheet, move or copy. Okay, to which workbook? To the book number book 1. To book 1. Okay, create a copy.
Okay, sir.
Click on OK. So that will be copied to the book 1 as name as data bars. Okay, so now again there are still more are there. Right click, move or copy. So now whatever the first sheet data bars is there here, I want that sheet to be in the last here. So right click, move or copy, move to end, move the sheet to the end. So it has been moved to the end. And now right click, move or copy. Now I want to create a copy of this sheet. What sheet? Color scale. Create a copy and move to end on the same sheet. Now I'm not going to other sheet. On the same sheet, create a copy, duplicate of the sheet and move that to the last. So create a copy and move to end. So copy is created and it has been moved to the end. Done. So now move or copy is over. Next, tab color. Tab color means giving colors for the sheet. So you can right click here also, give a color for the sheet. Done. Okay, now next, format protect sheet. Anyone remember what is how to lock the sheet? We went file tab, protect current sheet, we gave that option, right? Same way here what you will do, you select the sheet, right click, protect sheet, give the password and press OK. Again re-enter the password. Now if you try to type any content inside the sheet, it will not accept. Again to remove the password, no, to unlock that, right click, unprotect, enter the password. Then, so the last option of that, lock cell option. Do anyone remember this? I told the second class what is the use of that?
Nobody can copy the information in our sheet.
No, lock cells. Yeah, that is correct. That when we give this option, disabling the options for select, that lock cell option we used for one purpose.
We cannot edit, we cannot delete the entire cell, or we cannot add
Yeah,
whatever we want.
that only the selected cell ranges. Only this range I can make it as editable, and remaining entire range will be non-editable. Okay, so first select the range, click on the format. So two range I'll select. I select this range. I'll hold down the control key. Again, I'll select this range also. Format, remove the lock cell option. Okay, after that, I'll go to format. I'll protect the sheet. Password 1, 2, 3. Again, re-enter the password. I'll give the password. Here. So now you see here if I change the value, it's getting edited. Outside of that, it's not edited. Now again, I'll remove that sheet lock and all like this. Okay, so now we'll go for sum. So here four formulas, sorry, five formulas are there. Sum, average, count, maximum, minimum. But basically, until we reach formula tab, it's enough. And formula tab, we will see all the formulas. So what are the five formulas? First, we'll select a range. I need the content, new sheet. As a values, I'll take. Say here, sum, that is total, one formula. Average, one formula. Minimum one, maximum one, and count. Five formulas. So for total, what is the formula for total? So you have seen the last class also. Equals sum,
Sum,
open bracket, range of the five cells, right? Again, average equals average, open bracket, range close bracket for 5 subjects, and minimum equals min open bracket 5 subject then select the range close bracket enter. Then maximum equals max open bracket. What is the maximum value of the 5 subject? Highest marks in the 5 subject. Then count equals count open bracket. Select the range. So what count means? It counts number of the cells that are contains with number. Count counts the number of cells in a range that contains what? Numbers. Then in the selected range, there are continuous cells with numbers here. If you drag and drop, the values may change because it will come down. See for here 8 because the range is different. Let me know if you have any doubts. I'll go for the next concept. New one?
So for average, I'm getting 0 point the numbers. I'm not getting the
For
numbers.
average, yeah?
For average, yes.
How many subjects you have?
6.
Equals average. Select all the 6 subjects like this.
Yes, sir.
Close bracket and enter.
Yes, I got it.
Then fill option. I will enter a value here. Select the value. Select like this. Same value I want up to here in the bottom. Okay. Then Control D. That is fill down. Control B. Same from here, I'll set towards right side, Control R. Okay, or else you can use shortcut keys instead of shortcut keys like this also. Fill right, fill down. Okay, for up and down, the up and left, there is no shortcut keys. Up and left. Right. Now, in one cell, 1 second. So after this, we are going to the fill up, left, right, and down. Only for two things shortcut keys are there. One is for down and one is for right. Okay, next. Now I set one cell. I'll type 1. The value of 1 I'll type. I'll set that 1. So what if I want up to 20? What I need to do if I want up to 20?
So drag and drop.
So drag and drop to 20 and click here, fill series. Else 1 and 2 you type, you can select like that also. That's also correct. Right. But what if I want up to 10,000? Then you need to give on one cell 1. Okay. And select that one cell. Click on fill. Go for series. See here. Select 1. Click on series. Go to series. So here 10,000. I want serial number up to when? 10,000. So either you want in columns or rows, it is asking. I want in columns. So choose column. That means like this I want vertically linear. Step value 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1. Stop value up to how much? 10,000 I told, right? Right, 10,000. Click on OK. So control down arrow will give, it goes to the last record of the data set. You're getting? One more time I'm repeating here. In one cell, 1, enter and select the cell, normally fill, go to series, under that select columns, on the right side, linear, let it be there, linear, step value 1, that means addition value 1, stop value 10,000. Click on OK. Then now next thing in that is growth. In the series, next thing is option is what? Growth. So that it will come means how you are saying based on double means double, triple means triple, like that. I select one cell, I select the value 1, go to fill, series, in the columns I want. Now I choose growth instead of linear. Choose growth, step value 2. 2 means double. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 to 4, 4, 4, 8, 8, 8, 16, like that. Stop value I am giving 100. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. So next will be 128, but I was asking to 100. Okay, so it cannot go more than 100, but it can stop less than 100. So the value has been stopped at 64. Then now date. So basically date, first thing I'll tell you is then normally also the option will work. Here also the option will work. Okay. So which is easier for you, you can choose that one. But start date, end date, you can go there. But normally if I type date, today's date is what, 15, right? Yeah, June 15, 15, 6, 2023. Enter. Select the date. Drag and drop like this. And you drag and drop, can you see here this box? Click on this. See here, fill days. Next option, fill weekdays. Weekends will not come, only weekdays. 15, 16. So tomorrow is 16 Friday. Okay, 17 and 18 or Saturday, Sunday. Weekends will not come. Why? Because I have given the option as weekdays. Then fill month. Only the month will be filled. 6, 7, 8, like that month. Date and year are constant. After 12 months, however, the year has to be changed. It's getting changed. Fill years, date and month will be constant. Only the year will get changed. Okay. Same year, what is that means? Fill series, I'd say date, columns, date. Okay. Starting date, I'll mention here. Ending date, I will mention here. So ending date, I want next month 15th. 15th of 7, 2020. Series, column, date, day wise. So I think I missed to select the date. Date, day wise, 15, 0, 2023. So next month 15th of 07, 2020. You need to select date. Yeah, that's fine. Format, so full series, columns, date, step value 1, stop value is 15, 07, 2023. Okay. Don't mention the start date. Here you mention the start date. Okay, just mention only end date. So automatically up to 15th of 7th month it is coming. Then next justify. Actually it's not an alignment. Sorry, actually it's an alignment, but that particular tool will not work here. See, in a MS Word there will be 4 alignment: left, center, right, justify. Same alignment is kept here also. Select the cell, fill, justify. Here only 3 are there: left, right, center. But here if I just choose this justify, it will not work. The reason is what? Here we are not typing any paragraph or it's a cell. So justify means both sides it should be equal. So in Excel nothing is like that because it's our cell. Okay, and if you try for a number, it will not work. Justify will not work for a number because it's a tool used for text. Saying that both end equally it should be started, equal it should be ended. Then
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now clear options will do clear all, clear format, clear content, hyperlink, comment, and remove links. So now already we have some data set here. Yeah, here, this one. I'll take this one. clear format. Only the format will be clear. Again, I'm doing Control Z. The format means only the color or anything. Again, I'm doing Control Z. I'm getting back everything. Clear all. Everything will be removed. Again, Control Z. Next is what? Clear content. Content means formattings, everything will be there. But only the content will be removed. Okay, so this cannot be a perfect example for that. For example, I'll take this one. I'll apply background color and text color. So clear content. Content has gone, but the formatting still remains same. See. Now clear comment. So anyone remember how do we insert comment? Last class I told, I think.
Right click and then
Yeah. Right click, insert comment. Yes. Okay. So if there is a comment, select the cell, clear comment. Okay. Then hyperlink. Okay. Select the cell, press Control K. Press the shortcut key in the keyboard, Control K. Press the. Now in the address bar, first on the text to display, type shopping something, and in the address in the bottom, in the text to display shopping, and in the address, I just insert www dot. Just give me a computer, and the bottom address bar www dot ictcomputereducation.com. I'll give. Okay, now just click on OK. When you click on this link, it go to directly that particular website.
So can you repeat the link portion again?
Yeah. Just close this. Select any one cell, press Control K. Press the. In the text to display, type NICT or any word, enter NICT. In the address bar, type www dot NICT computer education. Any like www.amazon.com.in, like that, any one address you type. Or else you can type www.amazon.in. If you type, if you give OK, automatically everything will take.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm not getting insert hyperlink option.
Okay, if you're not getting able to insert the shortcut key, select one cell. See, Control K is the shortcut. Control K. If you're not getting this link, this screen, go to Insert tab. Okay, you'll be having link here. Click on this link.
Okay, okay, got it, sir. Yeah. Thank you,
There
sir.
in the text to display and in the address, you execute the commands.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
And then again home tab will go. So now we are not used the clear, right? We did create a link for that purpose. Now select the cell. Don't click again. Automatically go. Just use the arrow marks to reach the place, or like in the top like this. If you click like this, it will be selected. Clear hyperlink. Once you clear the hyperlink, in the bottom you can see like this. The eraser symbol. Again click on that. Again choose clear hyperlinks and formats. The link also will be removed. Format means once you insert hyperlink, you will be having a orange color something. So that will be removed, the text color. Then, okay, next, what you do, take a data set, copy that. You have only no issues. You don't have from the conditional formatting what you have done right. From there you copy, take a plain data set like this. Then now click on sort and filter. Sort A to Z. First sort A to Z and sort Z to A. Hello. Okay. Now I don't know based on what it has happened. Actually now that's based on that L to A. Again Z A to Z means based on the name A to L. So alphabet. Okay. A to Z and Z to A. So if I leave off that, but example if I want based on Kannada subject from largest to smallest or smallest to largest. Click on sort, go for custom sort, choose the option here, Kannada, and click on largest to smallest. Check out.
Yes, I got it.
Done? It out? If I give OK, see, based on Kannada subject from largest to smallest. So next, filter. What I'll do, I set the entire range. Use the shortcut key Control Shift L. Control plus Shift L. That is filter. Control Shift L. So select the range. Use Control Shift L. You see arrow mark in the top.
Yes, sir.
If you click on this arrow mark, you can filter, number filter. Click on any one arrow mark. Click on here, number filter greater than or equals to, filter the values that are greater than or equals to 15. Only that much will be filtered based on this subject. Left side you can see blue color. Okay, then again clear filter. Filter will be cleared here itself. Reapply means any changes you did, again you want to reapply, you can take reapply. Means refresh like that. Huh? Next, find and select. So find, replace and go to. So what I'll do, first Control F, find, shortcut key, or else click here, click on find. Find a value, what you want to find, just enter that. I want to find the value 65. Find all, if you click on that, everything will be finded. And then click on replace on the top, replace the 65 with 37 or any value like that. Click on replace, one by one it's getting replaced here and here. When I give replace all at a time, everywhere it will be get replaced. This is what find and replace. And next option, go to special. For this, I'll go to our conditional formatting sheet, because here what we have formulas, other things and all. So first sheet I'll take highlight cell rules. In this sheet, find and select. First option is go to formulas. In highlight cell rules sheet, we don't have any formula. It's there in the top and bottom rules. I'll just click like this. Go to find and select. Just click on formulas. It will highlight the cells that are selected with formulas. Selected up.
Yes, sir.
Only formulas. If I say find and select comment, it says there is no comment. If I insert a comment and if I go somewhere else, and if I say select comment, it will be selected. And use select, go to the place where I have used conditional formatting. These three places I have used conditional formatting. Again find and select. Clear? So here constant. So I'll just select one cell, click on find and select, use the option called as constant. So formulas will not be selected, only the text and numbers. Then
Yes, sir.
now again go to find and replace. Last select object. If any object is there, you can select like that. If any object is there, if not required, then go for selection pane. So what is the selection pane means? A pane will be open on the right side like this. So to use that, first you need to insert. How to use that? Okay, first what you do, go to insert tab. Go to insert tab, click on illustration. Go to illustration, click on shapes, insert any one shape. So now on the right side you can see cloud 1. Hide, click on the eye symbol hide, again click on that unhide. Then you're getting that? Okay, is there any doubt in the entire home tab? Home tab has been completed now. Is there any doubt here? Please let me know. No doubts? Okay. So next class we are going to start with pivot table. For that I will send you the data in the group. Okay. You just take out. Today only I'll send off. Just a minute. First, let us start with simple data. Later we'll go for a very large data. Data you download and keep it today only, because tomorrow again we don't want to waste time download this data set and opening and all. Today only you download and keep it in your laptop. I'll just forward in the group. Just let me know all of you received the file in the group or not.
Receive, sir.
Got it, sir.
Receive, sir.
Just download it and open it and keep it. Okay. Download and keep it in one place, the desktop like that, in easiest place where you can access. So around 13 tools we need to see in the pivot table. Okay, now I'll just call the attendance, save me the attendance.